This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by running the Xampp control panel as administrator, so you can change services and ports without permission errors. Once done, stop Apache to avoid partial restarts and quickly check ports 80 and 443 with netstat (NO). This shows which PID is holding a port. If you see Skype, IIS, or another server listed, make sure to close or reconfigure it now so you can proceed to edit Apache settings cleanly. Next, identify the exact process by matching the PID from netstat in Task Manager so you know whether to stop, disable, or reconfigure that app. Then open Xampp HTTPD, conf and HTTPD SSL. Conf, change listen directives and server name to alternative ports if needed, for example 8080 and 444, and update any virtual host entries. Make sure to save files, and then add or finally restart Apache from the control panel and test using the exact port you set, for example http://localhost 8080. If the default page loads, you're done. If not, open Apache /logs/error. Log to read the specific failure messages because those explain the how and why of crashes. If errors remain mysterious, make sure permissions and file ownership are intact. Check URL ACLs with netch HTTP, show URL, and consult Windows Event Viewer. Revert the last change if you need a clean rollback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.